My name is Habtemariam Assefa. I came from Ethiopia. I work in Amhara Agricultural Research Institute as extension and innovation researcher. Yeah, I'm very glad to get this training. I learned so many things, especially preparing blog, video recording, which is important for extension workers, since extension needs to diverse methods to communicate with the farmer. One of the method is video and audio recording. So I got a lot of things from this training, especially how to develop script and how to record a video and how to communicate with the farmers. So what I have learned from this training is really very important for my future career, especially in educating the farmers on improved technology. So I will use it in future my career, especially for the livestock sector. Biosecurity is the major issue. You cannot move from one place to another place. So you can record it and show their experience to the fellow farmers. So it's really important for me, for my future career. Thank you so much.